All right, you welcome back. Now still Talk, and all of us today for Inside the Studio, but minus our international correspondent, Betty Anna, because she will tell you before say she don't go to America to interview Hillary Clinton.
Yes,
and very soon, when she come back, we go know waiting Hillary come outside talk. So, no worry, you go see Betty Anna tomorrow.
She go from there, follow enter, go see Obama.
Oh yeah, because we hear say Obama don't actually endorse Hillary Clinton, so she needs to interview Hillary first. Say, okay, why are you coming out for presidential race 2016, and then meet Obama? Do you support this?
How it takes
or she feel enter the street of America, still ask the people who are ready to
be female president. Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. And they'll come tell us say when they watch talk.
Yes, so you understand. We are working. Talk with this one working.
We are moving to permanent
side.
No, campground.
Yeah, okay.
We are done with permanent side.
We need permanent. Okay. No, we go start from permanent side. Can't enter.
We are already in permanent side, so we need
campground.
Okay, we go campground.
No, campground get different establishments.
Yes.
It's
campground.
Yes,
don't forget.
All right, our next story now something we go actually surprise you. Now we not say for you to lift goat up. It is very very hard. Not to talk of ram, but donkey with your teeth. Is it possible? Watch this video. I talk not too much.
I better not talk too much. I don't want me to
watch Ababek.
Donkey.
Very possible. You will see.
No, but serious, how the man take lift up? I see one where they show for all these TV stations for DSTV. They push car.
That's how we need to watch this video. You go see this video of the man where they use the teeth, his own teeth, to carry it.
What's in the arrange?
Okay, but now pony.
See,
now the donkey big.
See,
he lift down.
See, wait now, see.
Film trick. It is a film trick. Oui, it is a film trick. It not happen. What are you talks? What are do you? How that thing happen?
Okay, you not believe say this kind of thing happen?
Film trick.
It is possible.
Film trick.
It is possible because I see people with the chop.
Make me see the video again, Abeg. Abi?
I see person.
You know the action what happen for that place?
Please, but no let's see the video again.
Okay.
The donkey actually move. It carry lift him up.
Carry him.
Oh yeah, now.
The four legs they are
look him, gently, quietly.
See him.
You go see one slow motion will go up when the monkey one land.
Which guy slow motion?
Now monkey abi donkey.
Okay.
Now donkey. See him.
See slow motion. Chase.
No, he lift him up.
He lift him up. Amaka.
The man they try get balance.
He lift him up.
He lift him. In four legs they off ground.
He lift him up.
Yeah. It is possible, but to me, I feel say feel say African magic did the thing. Voodoo.
You said don't add your own.
No, I just feel. See, you like him or not, black power still exists. You like him or not, it exists. But no be say you give all glory to Ram, but it exists. So me, feel say voodoo did this one because I don't understand even bucket of water, I don't fit.
Do you even use hand carry bucket of water na wahala? Imagine when you want to use teeth.
Okay, the one when they even pay me pass. You know, so they always receive call when you do something, you put your neck like and they distracted alone. Like you say, you then my teeth, sorry.
Oh, my teeth are for I like my teeth.
Okay. Because I know they there, so I don't believe
her. It's not possible. No,
wait, hold on. So too often I don't believe her. When I call they make me the feast, and only me not believe that man that's
no, but another thing again, motivationally, if you want to look this video, whether na voodoo, they say if you fit, go do one. You understand? Is na blood money. Yeah, if you fit, go do one. But the thing what me take for this video, we say they say you know they possible, no me say you know if you try them. And if you try them, keep trying. You will definitely reach there.
You get one popular quote so we know, everybody knows, say if you fit dream and then you can do it. So if I fit dream and say I want to use my teeth to carry this building, then I can do it.
I like you. You all know, you don't even think the one day here. Now that side you go left.
All right, so let's enter our next story. Now, Anita Otema, na 22 years old from Ghana, and she don't lost her left eye and parts of her body. They don't disfigure her after her ex-boyfriend, Webi Kwabena Fosu, 28 years old, allegedly attacked her with acid for where she actually stayed for inside Ghana. Now, Anita, when she did narrate the waiting happened between herself and her boyfriend to Ghana's Joy FM, she talks say Kwabena, popularly known as Abod man, say the man come in house where both of them be dey live as couple, and he come attack her in the night with big substance dem like acid. After Kwebena's pastor don't allegedly accuse her, say she dey responsible for why her ex-boyfriend dey sick. And he could tell, the pastor can't tell the ex-boyfriend, say, now she dey use his sickness till they get money spiritually. Say she, now dey responsible why the boyfriend is sick, and she dey use the boyfriend's sickness till they get money for her own self. Now, we hear say police dey investigate the matter to see where everything to take happen. Now, we know say we don't hear plenty talk of prophets in see something. You get one particular one we read one time where we say prophets tell the parents, say, now your pikin, now they make una not they get money. And they beat those pikin. You get one where they even go drown the pikins them.
Yes.
So now we need to talk about it. I know say some of all these are sensitive issues, but we need to really talk about them. In this particular case now, who you go blame? Is it crime for you to disbelieve waiting one prophet come outside tell you, especially when you know say the thing not just
first
in line with you?
First of all, we all of us now prophets. We be children of God. Nobody will devil creates.
Thank you.
You understand? Nobody just appear, disappear, come this world. First of all of us now pastors, now prophets, now men and women and children of God.
I tell you.
So because you can't get extra time or extra grace, come dey your head say, see as e be. Most of them they lie. Mostly for Ghana, I'm sorry to say this thing. For Ghana, plenty prophets.
Plenty fake ones.
Mostly when you go Takwale, you get one you get one mountain where they go there, come back. And they come Nigeria, can't dupe so many people. That's I know of the one way, because I don't be secretary for church before. I don't see plenty where we say they go ask you, we could not go that side. Ma keep this one for another day topic.
But they're not crying for you to.
You know they crime. You be pastor. Even the one where we they feel say they very clean. He go talk wetin he go talk. It remain for me to believe wetin you talk. I go decide say I won't believe him. You fit tell me say God talk say on Tuesday make everybody fast. In short, make nobody see sun. And I decide say you see that Tuesday I shall not miss talk. I must come office. Come rain, come shine. And I enter because the person where they pay me, no one hear whether my pastor say. Because bank self, no one hear that one. I got to come here, come work. Now, what's in I believe? And I tell you, because I believe him, if you know affects me.
Yes.
You understand? So no be crime, not decision, not choice.
Now, whatever you believe.
That's why God give us brain. He not give my brain to you to manipulate. You go to use and play like baby toy for her. No, he give everybody his own. He give us eye, give us ear, give us brain to think.
So where we go draw the line, sister?
The line now waiting now choice. Not me, I feel say not choice. And sometimes if you don't come to me, once I don't date church, where we say they forcefully make you want believe something by force. And they take 3 steps backward. I go they operate from defense. You know, I go they come late. Just say what in they talk for church today. That's how I go they operate till I go find another place. Because if you won't come force me say I believe, because I know say now the pastor go tell the guy and they go don't brainwash the person. Which in the other hand, we don't know the girl level. We no go abuse that one. But say you go the extent of using acid to bath the person. You think say the girl self no get hand to use acid. She might not bath you once and for all.
And she bath and she said bath.
Yes, and don't go sleep now. May you go rest. You know, but hey, I beg, make we suffer. They believe this men of God, this fake prophets, because God don't even talk. And me say during the end time, so many go come in the name. In short, they go even dress, act innocent like him. Open your eye, shine your ear, your eye. Open your brain in case if you don't off. If they take the lights away, they try to use generator on now, make it
use solar power, solar energy.
What do you think about that?
No, personally, I just feel say now what you believe in will work for you, true.
Yeah.
And she already talk and say all of us be prophet, be pastor, be pastoress. Yes. How we want to know who be who from fake from real? You know they easy. Even myself, I know things I go fit tell you say this person a real pastor and this person a fake pastor. But the only thing I go fit tell you be say use your own head try listen to your inner self. You know, they're very easy, but you need to, when you relax,
some people know they hear themselves.
I don't even think they believe they get self.
Yes.
They believe that another person go tell them.
Tell them.
Listen to yourself. You go find out, say, yourself even get sense past the person who thinks they tell you something.
It is very true.
And just the
drop
point.
Yes.
Because if you sit down, listen to yourself, the person will tell you, say, go slap this woman. But if you sit down and think to yourself, you go find out, say, yourself go tell you, say, no slap her more. Tomorrow, this woman will give you 55 million naira on the spot just because maybe she just like you.
Just see
just see your
that
face.
That is
like
a positioning now you know do before.
Yes.
You know what?
So it just, personally, I just say, you need to sit down and think yourself. It no be crime. It no be crime if pastor say, go put her inside fire, and you say, pastor, I no go.
No,
be crime.
I don't hear.
No, you know
pastor, I don't hear.
Nothing they always surprise me, but say, yes, I understand, say, now what you believe in, they work for you. But you know, say, God don't give all of us wisdom. He don't give us the power of wisdom and the power for us to know things where they right and things where they wrong. But you don't, pastor don't ever prophesy to you and don't tell you, say, I see the person where they actually stopped this your breakthrough, now your mother. And you don't ask the person, say, what will be the solution? Rather than telling me, okay, what do you want me to do?
They give solution.
No,
they just tell you.
They just tell you.
They expect me you sit down.
Oh, no. Think of solution.
Okay,
oh, no.
I don't go somewhere. Person will be say, waiting and they look for like a very long time and they pray, God, please help me. May somebody just even tell me, say, okay, see where the thing dey. And the person actually tell me, say, I don't look for your phone number. Meanwhile, I lost my phone. He said, the one where I get before, they go for me. Say, this thing, then your dad, say, make I keep them for you. Anytime, any day. Say, now you get them. That's, one mix them into inheritance or something. That's this one now for me. And this one, a person will then tell me, say, there's one auntie of yours like this. One auntie, she and your dad, they are kind of close, but you and her. So inside my head, when they tell me that in her face, just come and say, okay, now my dad, favorite sister with this, everybody know. And the woman give me the thing. When I can't think, I say, okay, so I'll go tell the person and say, no, she won't give me this, and the thing where they look for be this one. Now I say, okay, you know what? Maybe God actually ministered to Ram, but he's taking it the wrong way. I accept the thing and no harm from that day till date. So why even create?
I beg. People just need to take them easy with the level of believer that they easily believe.
No, yeah.
Most of all these prophets, because most of them are to just cause confusion.
I tell
now you go inside jail. The prophet go just do on your own because he not give you acid. He just tell
who
you something.
Who see acid for your hand?
Now you go carry
Nobody,
acid
now
for
let
your
you carry.
hand. So now you go suffer them. So if they tell you say, now your parents they do this, I beg, think twice before you take action. All right, we're gonna need to pass more break. When we come back, our guest will enter inside the studio. You wanna know who this guest be? Come, buddy, with us. We come back. All righty, welcome back. Yes, I said before the break, I tell you, say, when we come back, we will get one Kajat guest inside the studio. Now, the Kajat guest, he has come and sit down gallantly. Blessed is he amongst women, even though we know he's taken. Anyway, the person we'll get for inside the studio, him now, CEO of Inspiro Consulting, will be career services and human resources and resource management for inside Lagos. Yeah, he don't write plenty books. He don't write plenty books. He don't write where did all my money go, getting a good job easily and free from corporate slavery. Plenty things now he don't write to make sure say you get better information. And him get personal interest on top to how to develop people. Because he knows that human beings now very important entity, how they put them like that, where you need to actually develop well for them to actualize their self. And then we get him inside the studio today. His name na Jimmy Tewe. How say I pronounce that word? Jimmy Tewe.
Jimmy Try small.
I better pronounce it.
Okay, pronounce it.
Tewe.
Okay, Jimmy Tewe.
Which part of Nigeria?
Ondo State.
Ondo State.
Tewe.
Tewe. Okay. If you sing, if you say that name.
Okay, when they call your name, I haven't seen say you come from like
Rivers.
Thank you.
Some people they say Liberia self.
So what did Tewe mean?
Tewe.
It's Akintewe, young warrior.
Oh.
No wonder you be like,
I feel like Oreo.
All right, welcome to Talk Studio today.
Thank you.
Yes, we could just start like this because we know say plenty youths and graduates, unemployed graduates actually watch us. Now we want to ask you, I know say plenty people don't come outside talk about the mistake we graduate they make, but from your own mouth, because you're a person where they develop people, what do you feel say be the mistake where most graduates they make, where they make them not get job till today?
Okay, the thing we did, I be say plenty reason there. Number one, okay, but we just look at say two of them.
Okay.
Number one, be say most people don't even understand who them be. Take me for example, in agric where I do. For school. Yes,
Okay.
now. Why? Because my papa they do agric. My papa get farm. I be first born.
Okay.
So you know my destiny.
Follow
now.
Follow the train.
You already
Exactly.
decide
But
them.
by my second lecture, I don't know say nothing there. So you know my line. So but thankfully, thank God, say along the way, discover, read book, things like that. I can't discover, say, okay, I like to dey talk, I like to train. Now when I come Lagos, now I enter HR, Human Resource Management.
Okay.
And that helped me a lot. For some
Okay.
people, 10 years from today, I still dey counsel people today, where they don't work for like 20 years, we still don't know, they don't know what they're supposed to do. You get my point? So that's the first thing. Number one, we say you need to understand who you be. For example, imagine if all of the three of you, they bank now, they customer care. You fine. You go do your job, but you go happy. You don't go happy now.
No be your colleague.
Okay, depends on the money plenty, Abi.
The money can make you smile.
You know, say most I remember then when I just graduated, a lot of my colleagues, my friends would they tell me, say, if they never pay me like 200K, I don't go actually work. You feel say, now we know say some motivational speakers don't come outside talk, say you need to aim higher. Why some go talk, say, no, you need to start with
what you have.
But now, from your mouth, your person need to like stay. Is it wrong for me to dream big?
No, dream big and start wherever you are. So if, for example, now the first job I could tell you, say the first job I get now as youth corper, when we want to resume, they give us rumors saying that 30,000 they go pay as youth corper. Now I don't excite. Say from Ibadan, 30,000 are big money.
Yes.
Only for me to say offer letter now 10,450. So now the first disappointment. The testimony where I give for church, I have to go cancel that, right? But after 2 months, they say these people, because the three of us take the job, say we they do very well and we'll be youth coppers, so they increase the pay to 20,000, right?
Okay.
Then by October they realize say this is where they don't train, because as youth copper you go train banker, they don't go write anything for your head, say you be youth copper.
Yes.
So you don't expose you. So then that's how this youth coppers we don't train, say we go release them, we have to start all over again. Say no, anybody who don't work here for 6 months now full staff. Then they increase aside to 60,000.
Hey,
Oh.
double.
That is a
I'm
miracle.
almost
like
you get my
that.
point. So I go back to
Thanksgiving.
Thanksgiving.
You can't go back
So
to
what I
church
tell
again.
people say, number one is you supposed to discover who you be, because like fish, now inside water, where you go do
supposed
well. So find yourself, then find your place. Find place where it go support who you be. All right. And I know say Nigeria say problem plenty.
Yes.
But if you see where you feel provide solution, then people will go give you money there.
Yeah.
I know one girl where they said like we're going. You didn't like babe. But she said she not get job. After a while, she said, okay, one day like this, I feel cook and we're going for. Give her pastors, then chop. They order the next set. Then her friend, they do wedding. And she said, I feel bring and we're going for your wedding. She said, if that's what you have, love feast, bring them. People live rice now we're going. Today in our wedding, and we're going to the serve.
Wow. So
That
what
is
will be
the
the second
Nigeria of
thing?
today.
What will be the second mistake? Say not
Now,
true.
one other thing, people, they don't even understand where opportunity is. Everybody want to work for Chevron,
Oil company.
oil company. I say even palm oil day. Why you don't even go there, right?
Oh, now gas and
Oil now. Maybe so. But the thing, you see, because we don't get access to information. So, for example, now, with everything they go now, agric, for example, go blow. Many areas, everybody want to do makeup now. Maybe so.
Yes.
Yeah.
Even some
And events.
before better than after. You
Yes.
know, for
Yes.
example,
Yes,
because they
before,
don't know,
yes.
am I right? So, but the thing about it is that you need to, number one, discover yourself. Number two, find where you fit into and start from there. Dream big. Even if you dream say I want to go Tokyo, you go reach airport.
Yes.
So you start from somewhere.
No, you
and now
get
begin to-
passport first. Then
I beg, you get my point. So for some people, they dream for in their room, not doing anything. Even if you get your first job, and it's not that dream job, it look like nightmare job. Start there, do it very well. You go get recommendation. Before you know, you keep moving. Before you know, you go get ready to go.
Okay. As you talk this, I just remember, I said sometimes personally they disturb me when we get graduates. We know, as in they don't do the right thing, and when they can't go on this motivational tour, they'll tell them say, be an entrepreneur. You mustn't do white collar job. You know that they go really talk of entrepreneur. No, not everybody fit be entrepreneur.
No.
And aside from that being entrepreneur thing, when you finally drop CV, go one place. company go tell you say 30 years experience. And you just a graduate when you want even see the 1 year experience.
Thank you.
So all those things, they just look and say, how you want to talk to these graduates out there now?
Well, number one, we say any company we want to recruit fresh graduate, and put HR, they're not serious. All right? That's number one. But they're plenty. Some people with HR, they don't know what they do. I will tell you that. Okay, but what I go tell people say, look, if you find there more than 50% of jobs for Nigeria, they know they advertise them.
Okay.
More than 50%. So what I tell people say, number one, you have Facebook, you have Twitter. Instead of to tweet, just gist. Twist your call. I don't see person will tweet, say, I get this kid, you tweet at me. And so thankfully somebody they look for that kind of person and they get the job.
When you don't know the person before.
I don't know the person before. I just say, at least a recommendation. Go and try your luck, and then you get the job.
Okay.
Some people say, okay, everybody must be an entrepreneur. If everybody is entrepreneur, then who go do the work at the end of the day? Not everybody fit be entrepreneur. But I go tell you, say, for Nigeria, we need more entrepreneurs now.
Okay.
Because the lack of jobs, one of the reasons is because there are not enough companies.
Okay.
She gets. And the more companies we get, the more jobs you go get.
Wow.
Okay.
So,
But me won't ask because of one of the books where you write, where you say how you could take come out for slavery.
free from corporate slavery.
Corporate
Slavery.
Okay, you don't graduate, you don't work. How long you go work for person till when you feel say, okay, don't day enough for me to now create job for people?
Okay,
for how long?
no templates there.
Okay.
But I go use my example.
All right.
Okay, up until 2010, I did work for Bank PHB.
Okay.
You remember that bank, right?
Okay.
That
Yeah.
bank.
That bank. I be senior manager there.
Okay.
I was how old I be? If I tell you my age, then you go calculate. So, but around that 30, you know, and senior manager, my monthly take home 20,000 per month. I get brand new car, I get house, get everything. But I did sad. I know if you explain them.
Because not be where you want.
That's not, you know, they still say I supposed to do more than this. One day like this, one man come, motivational speaker. And that day, he motivates me. Even myself, I know I motivate. I can't realize, say, I supposed to be. But where I did, I be head of recruitment for the bank and all that. But I know the bad one. So I now begin the transition. It took me 2 years
to do that.
to do that. No, besides, I just wake up one day, say, I want to retire. I get wife, I get picking mate, 2. I will now start. So, but I start that process. So that point where you get to where you dey frustrated, and you know, say, no be say, now your oga or now the company, but you know, say, the company
passion they knock
it's more than then you cannot begin to think about that.
Okay.
And you start the process.
Because for Nigeria, passion no actually.
Today,
Exactly.
So sometimes you got to branch.
You have to branch.
before you go enter the major place.
But I don't say passion, they always pay out. Passion,
pay out at the end of because you did.
always pay out. So what would be your advice to people where they out there now, where they watch you, where don't sit down for house for 3 years and still no job?
And nothing.
Okay, the thing I go say be say, number one, if you they find job, for example, leave your house, go and work for free. If they don't pay you money, you go get experience. And when you don't get experience, nobody will take experience from you.
No, sorry, that working for free. What about person where not even afford to eat like 1 meal a day?
Okay.
I go-
I go testify to it.
Correct.
No, I know, it dey work for some people.
I actually, when I just come Lagos, I actually work for 8 months without pay.
But when
may I
you
tell
getting
something?
support,
Wait,
when you getting
wait,
support.
may I tell you where I
Wait
get
now,
my
which,
support from? I be lady, I be fine girl, obviously. For the office, what thing I tell myself, I say, I know actually they come here to collect salary, and I know they come here to come sell myself, but waiting, I just need that contact. I tell you from that office, because of, after 3 months, they see my strength, and I know the
Correct.
person they watch me right now. He see my strength. He sent me to Akwa Ibom because now there I serve. I go interview Akwa Ibom, the governor. That interview alone, coming back, my life changed because inside aircraft now I meet person who give me complimentary card and I dare the transition.
You are a woman, no?
For 6 months.
You are a woman.
That.
True now.
But there are some people, let's just take
Let's face the
me
fact.
face
Some
reality.
people, some
I
people will
get
never
what
do
you
Some
it.
people
talk,
get
eh?
support
I get what you
system.
talk, but I go say this, I like templates. At least try.
Okay, try.
Okay.
Don't be say you go, because if you for your bedroom, miracle don't happen for bedroom.
Yes.
That's
Come
what
back
they
to
need
your
to come
house,
out.
go somewhere.
Na prayer
Even
temple.
if God won't help you, most likely now outside the house. Don't be inside the house to go help you.
Yeah.
You get my point? So may they go out, may they try. Even if you volunteer and now only 1 week you carry, the next interview you go, they'll say, what have you done? You say, well, I volunteer for 1 week and I learned 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5.
So don't be the same person we just come out school. They talk to you.
Wow, beautiful. So make we just ask you our cook of the day.
Yes, but yes, straight away. Shook of the day.
We they always get cocoa
we get
of the
something
day.
they call cocoa of the day. No. Today I did in a very good mood.
Correct.
Very light mood.
Motivation.
Yes,
Okay.
as I know if you ask you on a lighter note.
Yes.
I don't already see the way.
They have the ring there.
I don't hear.
So, cocoa of the day.
Okay.
If you win jackpot, 12 million naira.
Okay.
What you go do with the 12 million naira? How you go start to spend that?
Beautiful.
12 small.
Ah.
Wait till I want.
Oh yeah, how you want to start to 12
Eh?
million? Oh yeah.
What I go do with 12 million? Well, at the moment, now investment, I go invest in some things we do way some person supposed to do.
So I wish you were a young graduate. You've
If I be young graduate,
Yes, because it's 12
okay, this
million.
is the thing. If I get business idea,
Okay.
then I go invest them. If I don't get business idea, then I'll find financial instruments where I go invest them. Because 12 million, they make some people mad. They go just for
No, once they hear the word million, whether I half or full,
they go just take off. So first, put them where you know if you touch them, and then gradually you feel they touch them.
thank you
All
so
right.
much.
Thank you so much. Say you actually enter inside our studio. Yes,
you
if
very
they
much.
wonder the person who they talk to, not confirmed person, where they interested in human development, Jimmy Tewe.
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 Correct.
All right, we're going to see you tomorrow again for our inspiration. No, real
Real life issues.
Yes, real life issues.
Wow.
My name is Sirimet Uvi Ehikamusa. Get better day.
And my name is Maka Okudiafo. Una enjoy your day.
All right, now there my own name still remain Queen Bee Obala.
All right, Jimmy Tewe. Before we go with all this talk, say to talk not be bad thing, but know what they talk about.
But
Now
make you know
you
wetin you
to
talk
talk
about.
am now.
So say I'm again, man.
To talk no be bad
To
thing,
talk don't be bad thing.
but make you know what they talk about.
But with
To
But
talk,
make-
not be bad thing, but
to
make
talk
you
don't be
know.
bad thing.
But make
you
know
what
you
they
they
talk about.
Thank you.
We love you, Peter.
I say
Bye
take care.
bye. Pray for Betiana.
Monday.
Yes, on the Monday.